Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。And again, this month we're talking about things you encounter around the house. 在家里的生活起居，早晚会碰到的事情，这样子哦。A lot of times we go into the kitchen because we want to cook or prepare something.
对。
So you have the kettle running and you're boiling water. 所以水烧开了，快去关瓦斯。When you hear the whistle blowing, you want to tell someone to turn off the stove, all right?
水滾誒。
哦，水滾誒，就水滾啊，那
對。
That means the water is boiling.
夾起關瓦斯。
夾起關瓦斯。
那海陸腔其實音也蠻接近。
你說瓦斯嗎？
你要不要來猜一下？先想想看。
瓦斯。
不是瓦斯，瓦斯。
Oh, 瓦斯。Okay, this term is actually derived from the English word gas, but they have different dialects, okay? 再講一次，海陸的話是
瓦斯，
瓦斯，那視線
瓦斯，
瓦斯 okay? And another thing that is found inside the kitchen is the kitchen knife. 在這個廚房裡面一定有很多把菜刀。對不對？
切豬肉，切青菜。
For different purposes, you have different knives, right? 其實不一樣的這個用途會有不一樣的菜刀。那有些菜刀可能比較利，有些可能比較鈍那樣子 right? 所以呢 switch to this kitchen knife, it's going to cut better, okay? 怎麼說？
溫雅記菜刀較好切。
溫雅記 that means 換 okay?
換這支
Exchange, all right? Exchange this 菜刀 that's the kitchen knife. And then it's going to cut better.
較好切
okay? That means, again, switch to this kitchen knife. It's going to cut better. Sometimes you're going to have to wash things in the kitchen. 有的时候呢是要洗碗，有的时候呢要洗什么呢？在切菜的时候有砧板嘛，对不对？ That's the chopping board. Please wash this chopping board for me.
老雅嘅剪柄洗洗啊，
洗洗啊，
就是洗洗啊，
不客氣啊，洗洗啊，
是洗洗啊，不是那個講那個謝謝講不標準，
對
洗洗啊。
對了，哈卡謝謝是俺子 say 嘛，對不對？我以為你在謝謝我嘞，
沒有，
謝謝啊 ，That actually sounds like thank you in like a Chinese Taiwanese way, but it actually means wash in Hakka. I love it. I'm going to remember this forever. 这永遠會記得。謝謝啊。好，我們再講一次。Please wash this chopping board for me, okay?
老雅嘅剪柄，謝謝啊。
有啊，謝謝啊。老雅嘅剪柄，謝謝啊。
Yeah!
There you have it. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼太感？
俺子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.